Hello and good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing, where we have some of the nicest Moffetts in the USA. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this here is a 2009 M45P. This thing will lift 4,500 pounds, and you get a little bit lighter chassis here, a little more low profile. You get the job done without so much weight on the back of your truck when you have this thing mounted. Now, it's sitting here with 5,241 hours, but I wouldn't be too concerned about that because we've gone in here, replaced quite a few of the cylinders here. We go in also and look for anything leaking, like the hoses, the wheel cylinders. We test the hydraulic pump for pressure. Anything we find bad, we replace. So many of these cylinders have been gone through. You can see evidences of new hoses here. We look over the pins, bushings, mass bearings. A lot of those have been addressed too. We've gone ahead and take this thing apart. We take the cage off. As you can see, there's a new bolt there. Many of these removable gray pieces, we remove them so that way we can get underneath and clean very nicely. Then that way we can get the paint in there so that it doesn't bleed through. You don't have a bunch of rust underneath and in between. Now, ladies and gentlemen, even new lights here. Look how nice this is. This seat's looking really good. And also, take a look at your decals. This thing is really standing tall. It's got all new tires all the way around, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of new lights. This thing is ready to go. I'm going to show you the engine here. There's your little turbo Kubota motor. We're going to go ahead and fire this thing up and show you how nice it operates. Hear that Kubota come to life. Now we're going to go and show you some mast operations. There's your mast going up and down. We have tilt. We have side shift. We'll show you the mast going in and out. Also have outriggers, ladies and gentlemen. This thing really operates nice. This motor's nice and strong. Everything's been thoroughly tested. Listen to that thing hum. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you guys can hear the backup alarms on. All your emergency lights are working. All your motors are in sync. Your hydraulic pump is strong. Your mast is tight. Ladies and gentlemen, we're so confident of this here unit. What we do is we give you an operational guarantee. It's going to be like I've shown you here today. We're going to help you out and get it fixed. We're going to take it a step farther. Now, that's very short term. It's when this thing shows up. It's going to be the way I've said. But we're going to take a step farther. When you get this thing, we're going to back this motor up for 30 days so you can hit the ground running. All the fluids have been changed. You have new filters, date coded. Everything's ready to go. You'll know when you need to change the oil, but you're going to be able to make money right away. So now you can give us a call at 260-238-4998. Let me repeat that. Give us a call, 260-238-4998. You can also check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so happy that you took a look at this video. You're going to love this Moffett. Just give us a call. We can have it delivered right to you. Have a nice day.